guys, and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. For the start of this episode, check out some near misses that happen every day.
January of 1948, a 3-episode of suspense based on one of the greatest movies.
Accident happened after blue car failed to spot another car approaching before doing a left turn.
Sorry, I just not having that.
Slippery road and a lack of focus caused this lady to rear-end a car in front. This driver recorded crazy and extremely dangerous driving maneuvers.
Could have been arrested.
Right.
You absolutely didn't finish. No, he's saying he did it all in the car.
No.
He was driving, throw it in the car, and so you know, like the grand finale, and you hop out for the grand finale.
Right, like you know,
hop out?
Yeah.
What do you mean hop out?
Speeding driver got busted by the cops. After overtaking using left lane, this female driver wanted to have a word with the driver behind.
You went in a turning lane and went straight. I didn't hit your car. What? Okay, well, I literally didn't do anything. You're the one out of your car.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.